Imagine a normal day on Earth, lush forests, enormous dinosaurs roaming the land, and life thriving across the planet. Then suddenly a bright object appears in the sky. It grows larger every second. Within minutes it will change the history of life forever. 66 million years ago, a gigantic asteroid slammed into Earth and triggered one of the most devastating events in planetary history. It is the day the dinosaurs disappeared. The asteroid that struck Earth was enormous. Scientists estimate it was about 10 kilometers wide. That is roughly the size of a major mountain. Traveling faster than a bullet, the space rock crashed into the region that is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact site formed the massive Chicxulub crater, one of the largest impact structures ever discovered on Earth. The energy released was almost unimaginable, billions of times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, and the destruction began instantly. Within seconds of impact, the ground near the crater vaporized, rock melted, shockwaves blasted outward at supersonic speed. Earthquakes shook the entire planet. Gigantic tsunamis hundreds of meters tall surged across nearby oceans. Anything living near the impact zone had no chance of survival, but the true devastation was only beginning. The impact hurled billions of tons of molten rock into the atmosphere. These glowing fragments rained back down across the planet. As they fell, they heated the sky like a giant oven. Forests around the world ignited. Massive wildfires spread across continents. Entire ecosystems burned. For many species, survival was already impossible, but an even darker phase was coming. Dust, ash, and charcoal blasted high into the atmosphere. This thick cloud spread across the entire planet. Sunlight was blocked. Day turned into a dim twilight. Temperatures began to fall rapidly. Plants struggled to survive without sunlight, and when plants died, the animals that depended on them began to starve. The global food chain was collapsing. For months, and possibly years, Earth experienced something scientists call an impact winter. Without sunlight, the planet cooled dramatically. Photosynthesis nearly stopped. Plant life declined sharply. Large plant-eating dinosaurs could not find enough food, and when herbivores disappeared, the carnivores that hunted them soon followed. Across land, sea, and sky, life was vanishing. By the time the dust finally settled, the damage was catastrophic. Around 75% of all species on Earth had gone extinct. All non-avian dinosaurs were gone. This event is known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. One asteroid had reshaped the entire biosphere, but not everything died. Some creatures managed to survive, and those survivors would change the future of life on Earth. The animals that survived the extinction were generally small, adaptable, and able to hide. Some lived underground. Others could survive on a wide variety of foods. Among the survivors were early ancestors of birds, crocodiles, turtles, and mammals. With the dinosaurs gone, ecosystems slowly began to recover. And mammals, once small and insignificant, suddenly had room to evolve. Millions of years later, one branch of those mammals would eventually become us. For decades, scientists debated what caused the dinosaur extinction. Then in the 1980s, geologists discovered something remarkable. A thin layer of clay found all over the world contained unusually high levels of iridium, a metal commonly found in asteroids. This discovery by scientists including Luis Alvarez and Walter Alvarez helped confirm the asteroid impact theory. The mystery of the dinosaurs' disappearance was finally solved. The asteroid that struck Earth ended the age of dinosaurs, but it also opened the door for new life to rise. Without that single moment in Earth's history, mammals might never have dominated the planet, and humans might never have existed. Sometimes the most destructive events can reshape the future in ways no one could imagine. If you enjoyed this exploration of Earth's history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.